I being practical or brave?
Practical.
I'm a teacher.
Brave.
My heart was falling, now it's shattered. It's like a natural disaster. We were fire and hope, now we're ashes and smoke. Love burned out slow, like a volcano, a volcano, volcano gone cold. When you lose the one you've wanted, it's like a part of you is haunted, and you're desperate for hope, but the ashes and smoke all cover it. The ground like a volcano, a volcano, volcano gone cold. And sometimes love just ain't enough. And sometimes dreams just turn to dust.